So they say organization politics, divergent viewpoints lead to the political struggle. Okay, so I told you that the like mind means the same mind people, they will make a grouping inside an organizations over there, right? So they say divergent viewpoints lead to political struggle over there. So divergent means different. Diverge mean different viewpoints. So for example, if you are thinking about the east, other people thinking about the west. If you are thinking about the north, other people are thinking about the south. So
Like
these
everyone
kind of
think
thing
he's
is
right.
called divergent. So when there is different kind of ideas, there are different kind of opinions. They are not like mine. Different kind of thoughts over there. Some are like you might have seen in our society where some are like liberal, some are religious, some are like semi. So different, like kind of point of people are there, and there's a more political struggle over there, power gain over there, competitions over there, and even conflicts. Okay, so there's sometimes it is healthy competition, but sometimes it is not a healthy competition, and it is a damage for the organization over there. So we should have a healthy competition in organization rather than the damaging one. Okay. So what is the benefit of healthy competition? The healthy competition is that you grow and your organization also grow with that one. Okay. If there is no competition, so the organization become dormant. It becomes like it's not become functional over there. So there should be healthy competition, and conflict also arises, but you should know how to solve the conflict over there. There should not be a uh, like a conflict forever for conflict over there. There should be a resolution, conflict resolution point over there. Then we have a political resistance greatly hampers organizational change over there, right? So sometimes if there is a like political resistance, okay, and an organization want to change over there, the political resistance, they don't allow the organization to change. So it hampers means it's like hurdles, it like stops. So this kind of thing is not healthy. If there is a political resistance, sometimes change is good for the organization.